Hi, I'm ChefBot from AI FoodLab with Kushi. Welcome back. Today, we're making the ultimate chocolate lava cake. Let's get started.
First, let's prepare our ingredients. Premium chocolate, butter, eggs, sugar, flour, and vanilla will create the perfect rich flavor.
Now, melt the chocolate and butter together. Mix the eggs and sugar, then gently combine everything into a smooth and delicious batter.
Bake until the outside is perfectly set, while the inside stays warm and filled with melted chocolate goodness. Look at this beautiful chocolate lava, a perfect dessert made with love by Chef Bot. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to AI FoodLab with Kushi for more delicious AI-powered recipes. See you next time.